How to sublimate the 12-ounce stainless steel Sublimation Wine Tumbler. You will need the following materials for this project: a 12-ounce stainless steel wine tumbler, a ruler, sublimation paper, lint roller, tape dispenser with heat-resistant tape. Now let's begin first by measuring the area in which we will be applying the design. First, we want to measure the height. We want to keep the design between 1.5 inches to 2 inches in height and about the same in width. Now let's take these measurements over to Canva to design the print.
Let's design our sublimation print for the wine tumbler. Head over to the top and select Custom Size. Change the units to inches and input the size of the sublimation paper you are using. For width, input 11.0 inches and for height, input 8.5 inches. Then select Create New Design and input the height of 8.5 inches. Then select Create New Design. Next, go over two elements on the bar at the left and in the search bar type floral letter E. Select See All and select the letter you would like to use. I'm using this one here. Size it down to 2.4 inches by 2 inches. Duplicate the image. Now let's save it. Next, select Share, select Download, change the file type to PDF Print, select Flatten PDF, select Save Download Settings, then select Download. Select Save one more time. Open up the folder where you have saved the file. Next, open up the print manager for the sublimation printer you are using. Drag the file to Add Files. Scroll up, make sure Mirror is selected, and change the product type to Tumbler. Over to Color Management and under Color Mode, select Vibrant. Then select Print.
I have my print ready and we are going to prep the tumbler to apply it. We want to first start by removing the lid. Using a lint roller, clean your tumbler. Next, place your prints on the tumbler and secure them down using heat-resistant tape. For this next step, we will need shrink film and a heat gun since we will be sublimating the tumbler in an oven. Start by placing your tumbler inside the shrink film. Use heat-resistant gloves and a heat gun to shrink the shrink film evenly on the tumbler. Make sure to put it in the highest setting and turn your tumbler as you are adding the heat. Now we're ready to place the tumbler inside the oven. Let's set the time and temperature. To set the time and temperature, start by rotating the knob to the right or to the left. We are sublimating stainless steel, so we are going to set the temperature to 385 degrees Fahrenheit. Press the button in the middle to set the temperature. Then rotate the second knob to set the temperature again and press the button in the middle. For setting the time to 8 minutes, rotate the knob to 8 minutes, then select the middle button. This will initiate the time. We will now wait for the oven to heat up. Then we will place the tumbler inside once it starts beeping and the time initiates. Now it's time to put the tumbler inside the oven.
Notice how the time has already started. Once the time is up, you will hear again a beeping sound. Now it's time to remove the tumbler from the oven. Make sure to use heat-resistant gloves to keep your hands safe from the heat. Next, remove the shrink film. I'm using a cutter and I'm gently removing it. Make sure that you do this process as soon as it comes out of the oven. Then remove the sublimation print.
Congratulations on sublimating your first wine tumbler. Look how cool this turned out.